Everyone knows not to fuck around with wild bears or killer sharks, but here are some small animals that you should never mess with either.
Roundhouse! Roundhouse! Spinning kick! Spinning kick! Spinning kick! Boom! Get him up there! Ready? Jump roundhouse! Good kick! Up! Come on, kick it! Boom! One more, ready? Come on, kick it hard! Kick it hard! Good kick! One more time! Good kick! Up!
Trust me, that was not just a dwarf in a monkey costume. Meanwhile, this unsuspecting cat is about to get viciously mauled by a cow-like dog. Unfortunately for this guy, squirrels aren't the only animals going for nuts these days. That joke was bad and I should feel bad.
Now look the net. Now look the net.
Looks like Mankey's scratch attack on Knocked Owl was super effective.
Welcome to Mutual of Omaha's Wild Kingdom. The hooting of the barred owl is a sound that's commonly heard in one of the most mysterious regions of the world. A water wilderness we call the land of quaking earth. Now you stay right there while I put the owl back. Okay. No fair grabbing now. Stay on my back.